Hello, friends, and welcome to Market Outlook with Ticker TV. This is Jatin Trivedi here, Senior Research Analyst with LKP Securities for Commodities and Currencies. Wishing you all a very happy and a prosperous new year for 2021. And we are going to, discuss about some outlooks at how the 2021 is going to shape up and look at the scenarios where the commodities are heading for the year of 2021. So starting with the bullions market, in gold we can expect the rallies to continue on the higher side that we have seen since the year 2018. Initially, where we saw a rise of gold prices due to the U.S. and China conflicts, the trade war that we witnessed in the year of 2018, and now in 2020, where we are standing right now at the end of 2020, we are witnessing the rise which has been initially started in 2018 is continued from the levels of 38,000 uh, 35,000 to 50,000 right now, and already it had scaled towards the levels of 56,000 as well. So going ahead in 2021, we are expecting one should expect the levels of around 56 57,000 to be catched upon in the early part or the second half, or before the start of second half. So approximately before June, one should be expecting the gold prices to hit the levels of 56 57,000 again on the MCX or the domestic markets, and on the international front, again the levels of around you know uh, 2050 odd levels looks quite achievable, looking at the scenario where the dollar index has been quite bearish in the whole of 2020, and on the downside, there can be a limited fall as well due to the vaccine updates which we are going to see, and vaccination rolling out in the first half of 2021, which will also impact the gold prices on the lower side. So the downside, which is limited, will be towards the levels of around 45,000 to 44,000 in the MCX, and around the levels of around 1700 odd levels in COMEX gold prices. So one should be looking at buying on dips and accumulate gold prices, wherein target should be aimed at around 56 57 initially, and then thereafter 60 to 62,000 looks quite easily achievable for the year of 2020-21. And on the extreme front, we are also aiming at the targets of around 65,000 on gold for the year of 2021, before the year end of 2021. So now speaking about the silver prices look uh, quite volatile again, but they are broadly on the uptrend. So till the time 50,000, 52,000 is intact on the silver, prices are looking quite bullish. So one should be looking to accumulate silver on major dips whenever there are 5-10% dips available in the market from the peak. One should be looking at buying at silver, and keeping a broad view of the target of around 85,000 to 80,000 initially, and then after 95 to even 1 lakh looks quite achievable if there is a strong bullish scenario in the bullions market. So buying it on dips is recommended in both gold and silver. Now speaking about the crude prices have been quite volatile in the year of 2020, as we have seen due to coronavirus, and now the riskier assets are performing. So this will help the crude prices also as the demand starts to rise again. So till the time crude is trading above 40 barrels in the WTI, one should be keeping an outlook of a bullish view on the crude front, and on the higher side, the WTI can look at for the levels of around 55 to 57 initially, and if and all there is a strong close continuously happening above 58, then one can aim for the targets around 65 as well in the WTI, right? So speaking about that on the MCX front, till the time levels of 2500 are holding, the strong bullish view should be intact for crude for 2021, and on the higher side 4000 4500 will be quite achievable if the levels of around 60 is achieved in the WTI front. Now the last segment, which is the base metals, see 2021, in the month of March April we saw strong bearish rallies, downside rallies in the base metals, and thereafter we have seen almost 85% rally in the copper zinc prices, from the lows of 350 odd in copper Copper now stands at 600 odd levels right now at the end of 2020 December, and going ahead in 2021, till the time 500 485 odd levels are intact in copper, one should be looking at a strong bullish view in base metals for the levels of at least 20% on the upside. So speaking about 20% on the upside for copper, it looks quite achievable that the prices will take the rally towards the levels of around 720, 725 easily. And on the extreme bullish front, it may also achieve towards the levels of around 800 going ahead, uh, keeping the broad view of bullish and accumulating on dips. That is the strategy which should be maintained in copper prices. Now the last segment, that is the zinc prices of base metal. We have seen a good rally in base metal as well. It has been quite supportive on a rising channel pattern as well. So zinc prices till the time they are holding the 180 175 odd mark in the MCX, one should keep a bullish view intact in zinc prices as well, and keeping a very strong target, extreme target with in line with copper, which looks 800 intact for 2021. One should keep a target of around 265 to 275 in zinc as well, on the extreme front where the base metals keep performing, and whole base metal packs gives a strong return as well. So we are expecting broadly the bullish trend in commodities to continue, whether it be it in bullions or base metals, except for the energies pack. uh, I think bullions and base metals will be quite supportive on the bullish front. uh, Here's wishing you all a very happy 2021. It has been a very difficult year of 2020, but with new year, one should be looking at new prospects and new opportunities and new frames of life to give you a fulfillment which we have missed in 2020. And wishing you all a very happy 2021 and a good luck, and keep having positive approach for 2021, and stay safe. Happy